What's your latest favorite planet? Least, sorry. What's your least favorite planet? Least favorite planet. Okay. So, ओके फेवरेट प्लानट का मतलब क्या होता है कि ऐसा प्लानट जो आपको अच्छा लगता है. ओके. सो व्हाट प्लानट डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट? वेल probably without earth I don't really like any other planet. हाँ, for the visual perspective I like Saturn, Shani. Yeah, I like Saturn, which is like it has a ring, yeah, which is really beautiful. Okay, but from the visual perspective, okay, like I do like basically is this thing. I am the kind of person who knows about lot of things about the astrophysics and things like that. Okay, I do know like a Saturn looks really good in the outside, but जब आप उसके अंदर जाते हो it's kind of like a something really very crazy. Okay, every planet is not really good. Okay, or basically is this thing when each planet is actually meant to kill you. Just you enter in that atmosphere, आप फटक से मर जाओगे. ओके. सो बेसिकली व्हेन आई सी सच अ थिंग ना मुझे डर लगने लगता है. ओके. सो व्हेन आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग स्केयर्ड देन आई वुड नॉट प्रोबेबली लाइक अनदर प्लैनेट. ओके. सो देर इज ओनली वन प्लैनेट दैट आई लाइक इज सन. सॉरी, इज दिस अर्थ. ये धरती. ओके. इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. या दिस planet has its own atmosphere जहाँ पे living organism रहते हैं. It's really beautiful. It's really great. Okay, I'm lucky to be born in this planet. Lucky to be born in this planet. Okay, where you are actually want to born? I don't know. Yeah, basically universe is like too big. Okay, I think there are so many Earth-like planets. Would be. I don't know. Yeah, but question is that ki what is actually the least favorite planet? Okay, so I wanted to judge this question according to the visual perspective. All right, not kind of like a something really in depth. All right. So as a visual point of perspective, what is actually the least favorite planet that you think? I would probably say Mercury. Yeah, I think that ki Mercury is so close to the sun, and it was really very difficult to live in there. Yeah, okay. And as also Mercury is like from the visual point of perspective, it's something really that key. It's very crazy. Okay, like it's I don't know, but like when I seen like every time I seen the Mercury, it always be in shadow of the sun. Okay, always in the like I don't know. Yeah, there is a big sun and there is a kind of like a small planet. Yeah, Mercury. So for me, for the visual point of perspective, Mercury is a kind of like a planet which is kind of like something really least favorite. But there are so many least favorite planet. Planet is Venus. Okay, Venus is actually very least favorite planet because it's a kind of like it's a violet planet which is kind of like a something really home of greenhouse gases. यानी जहाँ वहाँ पे CO2 इतना ज़्यादा है like basically the Mercury is actually far close to the sun but the temperature of the Mercury is bit less than Venus. Venus का जो एटमॉस्फेयर टेम्परेचर है वो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 250 से 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इट्स टू हॉट ओवर देयर. और वहाँ पे गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों है? बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि वहाँ पर एटमॉस्फेयर इतना ट्रैप हो गया है, वहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा ग्रीन गैसेस है. ग्रीन गैसेस मीन्स CO2 इमोशंस इतना ज़्यादा है कि जहाँ से सूरज की किरणें या गर्मी आती है वो ट्रैप हो जाती है अंदर के अंदर. सो दैट्स वाई इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग वेरी डेंस प्लैनेट, Venus. Okay, so yeah, then another least favorite planet is I might say Uranus. Okay, I like Uranus, but I don't know. I'm a bit really scared. It's a kind of like a something really a very blue planet. Okay, and which is have a small ring. I don't know. When I looking at the Uranus, I just felt like that. Ki it's an entire planet of entire sea and water. But Uranus is I don't know. Is I like does it have water in there or not? But it's kind of like a something really very scary to me. Okay. One of the favorite planet is first of all Earth. Okay. Then I like Mars. Jupiter is also one of them. From विजुअल पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, ओके। इफ़ आई वेंट टू इन डेप्थ, तो जुपिटर बिल्कुल भी नहीं, जुपिटर बहुत ही डेंजरस है भाई। 400 डिग्री, सॉरी 400 किलोमीटर पर आवर की रफ्तार से वहाँ पे हवा चलती है। ओके, वहाँ पे एक भवंडर है जो अर्थ के 3 टाइम्स बड़ा है, और वो करीब 200 मिलियन साल से वो भवंडर अभी भी चल रहा है। 200 मिलियन साल, 200 मिलियन ईयर्स। ओके, यानी जब आई डोंट नो, जब लाइक बेसिकली इज दिस थिंग, आई डोंट नो, इट्स इज अ फार 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 फार। ओके, वो जो भवंडर है, दैट दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट, कि वो एक डार्क स्पॉट है, लाइक जुपिटर डार्क स्पॉट। ओके, जहाँ पे वो भवंडर घूम रहा है। इट वॉज लाइक सो बिग, और वो मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर से घूम रहा है। वट एवर, बट द विजुअल पॉइंट ऑफ परस्पेक्टिव, आई लाइक जुपिटर। ओके, एंड अनदर इज सैटर्न। वेल, अर्थ फर्स्ट, then Earth, Mars, then Saturn, and then Jupiter. These are kind of like a planet that I really like. But I think that in the entire universe there are so many beautiful planets. So many beautiful planets. Okay, I seen some of the video on YouTube that are very beautiful planets on the Uranus. Sorry, you on the universe. It's like so beautiful as a visual point of perspective. All right. Yeah. Next question.